In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create glow effect in Text Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so your text pops with a clean, soft glow. By the end, you'll know how to prepare the canvas, remove distracting background areas, and dial in both inner and outer glow for a polished, neon-style finish. Start by opening your project with the text already in place, or bring in a composition where your text will sit in front of a subject. Next, switch to Pixel View at the top. This enables pixel-based tools and makes it easier to clean up the background so the glow reads clearly against your scene. Choose the Selection Brush tool and paint over the areas you want to remove. For this example, we'll isolate the subject and clear away the background behind the text. Use a medium brush and slowly build your selection. If you go too far, switch to Subtract and trim it back. Keep an eye on edges like hair or fine details, and zoom in for precision. If the selection grabs too much or too little, adjust brush size and hardness to refine it. Once the area is selected, press Delete to clear it from the active layer, then press Ctrl+D to deselect. With the busy background out of the way, switch back to the vector view so you can focus on non-destructive styling and effects. Head to the Layers panel on the right and click Quick FX. Turn on Inner Glow and Outer Glow. Start with Outer Glow to create a visible halo around the text. Pick a color that complements your artwork, increase the radius for softness, and tune opacity so it glows without overwhelming the scene. Then enable Inner Glow to add depth inside the letter forms. A smaller radius and slightly darker tone can create a subtle, dimensional edge. If your highlights need extra punch, try lighter colors or a brighter blend mode. If the glow feels harsh, lower opacity and reduce radius. That's it. Preview, fine-tune, and save. You now have a clean, glowing text effect that stands out beautifully.